Hello, children. Today in our ICT class, we'll start a new chapter. Chapter number 8, Storage Devices. Storage Devices. Before we start reading the chapter, I would like to ask you a few questions. Okay? Do you all have school bags with you? Do you all have school bags? I think you all have, right? Now tell me, why do you need school bags? Why do you need them? You need school bags to store or to keep your books, notebooks, and stationery in the bag and then carry it to your school, right? Okay, great. Tell me, do you all have refrigerators at home? Refrigerator. What is a refrigerator? Fridge, you call it. Why do you need a refrigerator? I tell you, you need a refrigerator to keep or to store eatables. What are eatables? The things that you eat, like fruits, vegetables, cold drinks, chocolates, milk. These all are eatables. That's why you need the fridge or refrigerator. Okay, tell me, why do you need a cupboard? Why do you need a cupboard? To store your clothes or toys in the cupboard, right? So, today we are going to learn all about the storage. Okay, your chapter is all about storage. Chapter number 8, Storage Devices. Now listen carefully. Children, look at the given pictures. These objects are used to store things. They are called storage places. Now look at this. This is a cupboard, refrigerator, school bag. These are the objects. And why do we need them? How do we use them? We use them to store our things inside them, है ना? So we store our things, so they are called storage places. So they are called storage place. Cupboard is a storage place, refrigerator is a storage place, school bag is for storage. Okay, now why do you need a cupboard? You keep your clothes, books and toys in a cupboard, so it is a storage place. Okay, what do you store in a cupboard? Clothes, books and toys. Every day you carry your school bag. Your school bag is a storage place for keeping your books and notebooks. So, what do you keep inside a school bag? This is also a storage place because you are storing something here. Okay, that is books and notebooks. Now, a refrigerator is a storage place for keeping fruits, vegetables, cold drinks, chocolates, and other eatables. Right? So, refrigerator is a storage place for all the eatables. So, similarly, you can store the data of a computer. Now, you have lot of data in a computer. You draw so many pictures, you click pictures and save them in the computer. You write letters or you write question answers or you make so many files, है ना, in the computer. So, you also need to save them somewhere. You also have to store them somewhere. So, there are many things where you can store the data of computer, and those are called the storage devices. Let's read here again. Similarly, you can store the data of a computer where you can store in hard disk, CD or DVD, pen, drive and memory card. You can store games, letters, stories, drawings, songs, etc. in them. You can use the stored data whenever you need it. अब whatever is there in your computer, जो भी data है, it can be a movie, it can be games, letters, stories, drawings, songs, your pictures, your wedding movies or your celebration pictures or movies or whatever. Whatever you have in your computer, you can store it in a hard disk, in a CD or DVD, in a pen drive or a memory card. So these are called storage devices. Let's learn about them. Storage devices. First one is hard disk. See, this is the hard disk. This is a storage device and it is already present in your computers. In your CPU cabinet, it is fixed. All the data is saved here only. Okay, so hard disk is like a box. It is like a box. It is fixed inside the CPU cabinet. It is fixed inside the CPU cabinet. It can store huge amount of data. It can store huge amount of data. Whatever is there on your computer gets saved here. So it stores huge amount of data. Huge means a lot. Okay, this you might have not seen because it is fixed into the CPU. Okay, next one is pen drive. So first storage device we have learnt about is hard disk. Other one is pen drive. A pen drive, this is the pen drive. You all must have seen it, right? You can put it anywhere in your smart TVs, in your laptop, in your computers, right? So a pen drive is small in size. See, this is bigger and this is so small, but it can also hold or store the data. It also stores a huge amount of data but less than a hard disk. Yes, of course, hard disk stores more data. It also stores huge amount of data but less than hard disk. Now, you can transfer data to another computer by using a pen drive. If there are some pictures on one computer and you want to shift it onto the other computer which is far away, so how you can do that? You can store this data in the pen drive and then put the same pen drive in the other computer. So this way you can transfer data, okay, shift data from one place to other. CD, DVD. Now you must all know about this CD or a DVD. It is the shiny disc that is round in shape. It can store less data than a hard disk and a pen drive. It can be easily carried anywhere. It stores data less than hard disk and pen drive and you can carry it anywhere. And the last one is, yes, you must have seen this. This is the memory card. It is very small in size. See, this is the smaller in size. And you can put it in the cameras, okay, or on the computers. So it is small in size and used to store data in mobile phones and digital cameras. Okay, you can put this memory card in the digital cameras or the mobile phones. It can be taken out from these devices and used to view data on a computer screen. Now, if you put it in a mobile phone, you store all the data here. Now you want to see it on a bigger screen or a computer screen, so you can put it and use it on a computer screen. Right? So these are the devices, storage devices which we have learnt about. Number 1, hard disk, pen drive, memory card, CD or DVD. Okay, now we are going to do the back exercise related to this chapter. The objects that are used to store things are called dash places. That's right, storage places. Next one, hard disk is fixed inside the dash cabinet. Where hard disk is fixed? CPU cabinet. A dash is round in shape. Very easy. What is round in shape? CD or DVD. A dash is small in size. Pen drive. Okay, next one is true, false. Storage places are used to store things. True. A computer can store only sound in storage devices. No, you can store anything. A refrigerator is used to keep your books and notebooks. No. You can keep clothes, books and toys in a cupboard. Yes. A memory card is very big in size. No. Okay, now here you have to match the pictures. Where do you keep books? Where will you keep? In school bag, CD in computer, cupboard, clothes and refrigerator, fruits and vegetables, right? Now answer in one word, very easy questions. Which storage place is used for keeping your books and notebooks? School bag. Where do you store your clothes and toys? Easy. Cupboard. Where do you keep fruits, vegetables, and cold drinks in your house? Refrigerator. And which storage device is round in shape? CD or DVD. Okay, so this is the back exercise which you have to do on your own in your books. After this, you have to write these keywords in your notebook, the easier ones. Okay, only 10. Clothes, cupboard, refrigerator, data, hard disk, pen drive, memory card, transfer, eatables, storage. Okay, write down these 10 keywords in your notebook. So, now you also have to read this chapter thoroughly once again so that you know which device is used to store what, and just go through the chapter carefully. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye. Take care.